Hello, fifth grade band students. I wanted to send a quick note to all of you saying how proud of you I am for a great year in band. While we did not have the chance to perform this spring as a group, the progress that we made in band was exceptional. I know that each and every one of you have been working really hard during this time at home, and I could not be more impressed by your professionalism and dedication to your schoolwork. From learning a brand new instrument to band holiday caroling to playing our demonstration concert to the Band Achievement Challenge and band e-learning, you have all come a long way this year as student musicians. As you begin your transition to middle school next year, I want you to think back on all of the wonderful times you had in elementary school making new friends, making new memories, and trying new and exciting things, like playing a band instrument. I hope that you not only enjoyed your time in elementary school, but I hope you look back on these memories and think about how they shaped you as a student and an individual. Each one of you is special and has a bright future, and I cannot wait to hear about all of your future endeavors. While many of you will be continuing with music into middle school, I know that some of you will be trying other activities instead. I hope that your time in band has inspired you to keep music in your hearts and has made you appreciate the importance of music in our lives. To those of you who are continuing in band into middle school, I am absolutely pumped for you to begin the next step of your musical journey. Middle school band is one of, if not the most, fun classes that you will be a part of. From the concerts and trips to making lifelong friends, I cannot wait to watch you continue to grow the band family. I have had such a wonderful time this year getting to know all of you, and I wish you nothing but happiness and success in middle school. To the fifth grade band students at Washington, including Aurelia, Luke, Emma, Isabel, Maya, Kamani, Drew, Carly, Charles, Sam, Logan, Aiden, Rocco, Emily, Jackson, Mariah, Zach, Benji, Sarah, Demetrio, April, Michael, Evelyn, Maya, Raphael, Maddie, Tucker, and Derek. To the band students at Longfellow, Shane, Claire, Sophie, Debritu, Lane, Edgar, Vanessa, Sebastian, Catherine, Paloma, Lauren, Felicity, Ellery, Cole, Burke, Evan, Landon, Brady, Levi, Colin, Carly, Leo, Samantha, Jonathan, Landon, Luke, and Xavier. To the band students at Lowell, Purnima, Singh, Ren, Charlie, Ada, Lana, Angeli, Delaney, Ella, Sean, Pablo, Luis, Bizrat, Sam, Josh, Chase, Evan, Elliot, Elena, Gavin, Ethan, Sophie, Giancarlo, AJ, Robert, Charlie, Nolan, Evan, Emilio, Jacob, Amin, Sean, Ana Luisa, Sophia, and William. To the band students in Eberson, Olivia, Karis, Isabella, Alexandra, Sydney, Marlo, Donovan, Luke, Parker, Aiden, Nazreen, Elizabeth, Faith, Aiden, Eric, Harrison, Finn, Anissa, Tristan, Samuel, Kevin, Liam, Carter, Gavin, James, Tyler, Charlie, and Joseph. To the band students at Hawthorne, Claire, Sam, Precious, Autumn, Campbell, Emily, Gloria, Liam, Jillian, Emwe, Marco, Sam, Jonathan, Aiden, Miles, Isaac, Nolan, Teddy, Sophia, John, and Elena. And to the band students at Pleasant Hill, Diana, Sonia, Connor, Jose, Samantha, Destiny, Andrea, Abigail, Kylie, Veronica, Adeline, Owen, Mac, William, Nico, Cole, Jordan, Brian, Ben, Nikki, both Roccos, Andy, Zoe, Goot, Henry, Eliel, Abram, Arthur, Chris, Dominic, Demarion, and Deccan. Congratulations on graduating fifth grade with pride, and good luck in middle school. Thank you for a wonderful year in band, and have a great summer. Whew. Wow, I'm really excited for those kids. They're just going to be great. I know I'm inspired. I'm going to go practice my trombone. Mr. Kloss out.